That's the end of numbers 1. Now, 2. My name is Linda. Please subscribe for more lectures. Let's create detailed audience personas. A persona is a fictional profile of a customer. We'll cover their goals, challenges, and behaviors. Your ideal customer isn't just about age or gender. We dive into their behaviors, lifestyle, goals, and challenges. Creating personas helps you understand your audience as real people, not just numbers. As you can see from these metrics, our growth has been exceptional. This is due to our strong team and innovative strategies. Thank you. Let's look at interests and online habits. Next, pain points and motivations, and preferred social media platforms. My audience is men and women aged 22-35, living in urban areas, interested in. To drive business growth, we must be active on Instagram and WhatsApp. We're also searching for affordable marketing solutions. With personas, you can create content and ads that speak directly to your audience. Increasing engagement and trust. The more detailed your persona, the more accurate your targeting will be. That's the end of section 2. Now, moving on to section 3. My name is Linda. Please subscribe for more. Different audiences gather on different online platforms. One of the biggest is one that many of you are familiar with. A common mistake in digital marketing is being active everywhere instead of being active where your audience actually is. A common mistake in digital marketing is being active everywhere instead of being active where your audience actually is. To identify the right platforms, observe competitors and where they get engagement. This analysis will guide our strategy. To identify the right platforms, observe competitors and where they get engagement. This analysis will guide our strategy. Let's look at platform demographics. Facebook leads in older users, while TikTok dominates in reviews to see what users say. For B2B audiences, LinkedIn is key for professional discussions. How do you start a community? Post valuable insights and join groups. For B2B audiences, LinkedIn is key for professional discussions. How do you start a community? Post valuable insights and join groups. Younger audiences prefer TikTok and Instagram, but business education works well on YouTube. Community-based discussions thrive on Facebook groups and WhatsApp. When you focus on the platforms, your community grows. When you focus on the platforms your audience already uses, your message feels. A natural, non-intrusive approach leads to higher conversion rates and stronger relationships. That's the end of number 3. Now on to number 4. Please, my name is Linda. Subscribe for more. Data is one of the most powerful tools for any organization. Using analytics and audience insights, we can drive better decisions. Digital platforms provide analytics that show who interacts with your content, helping you identify and target the right audience online. Digital platforms provide analytics that show who interacts with your content, what they like, and how they behave. Let's look at the key data: age, gender, and location. These shape how users interact with our content, and interests drive engagement. Let's look at click-through and conversion rates. Also, time spent on your content. Use tools like social media insights. Website analytics and ad dashboards help you refine your audience. For example, you may discover that most of our data shows engagement comes from people aged 25 to 40.